Good morning, Sir Antono, and good morning, everyone. Today, we would like to present our material about crowds. We hope you enjoy and understand our presentation. Now, start with the title. The title is Crowds, and number one is we explain about definition about crowds, and the second one is crowds characteristic. And next is collective behavior about crowds. And next is types of crowds. And the last one is theory about crowd behavior. Nah, today I will explain about crowds. This mind map will help us to understand what a crowd is, its characteristic, types, and theories about crowd. Nah, number one is definition about crowds. We explain a crowd. A crowd is a group of people temporarily doing something while physically close to one another. Types of location is street, stadium, concert, religious meeting. And the second one is crowd characteristic. In this section, we explain about crowd characteristic. One is no clear expectation on behavior. Two is urge to solve a shared problem quickly. And three is feeling our ideas spread rapidly. And four is follow others' action without much thought. And the last one is say or do things they normally wouldn't. And in collective behavior, we explain about in collective behavior means unorganized, spontaneous, and unpredictable social behavior. Organized, regular, and predictable. Example is fashion, trends, public opinion, social movement, and revolution. And next is types of crowds. Types of crowd. In this section, we explain types of crowd. One is casual crowd, loosely organized, spontaneous, example, watching street salesmen. And two is conventional crowd, planned, organized, example, football crowd doing the wave. And the last one is theories about crowd behavior. In this section, we explain the theory about crowd. We explain a theory about crowd is one is emergent norm theory and two is social contagion theory. So that is the explanation about crowds. We learn what a crowd, its characteristic, the type of crowds, and theory explaining how people behave in crowds. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, today we are going to explore the topic of crowd using mind map. Crowds are an important part of social life and understanding them help us see how people behave when they gather in large groups.
In this mind map, you will see the definition of crowds, their types, characteristics, and the collective behavior that often happens within them. This will make it easier for you to remember and understand this topic visually.
Let's get started and see how crowds shape our society and our daily lives.
Okay, first is definition. A crowd is a group of people temporarily doing something while physically close to one another. Types of location is street, stadium, concert, religious meeting. And second is collective behavior. Unorganized, spontaneous, unpredictable social behavior contrasts with institutional behavior. Organized, regular, and predictable. Examples is fashion trends, public opinion, social movement, and revolution.
The crowd characteristics by Turner and Killian at 1987. No clear expectation on behavior, urge to solve a shared problem quickly, feelings or ideas spread rapidly, and follow others without much thought, and say and do things they normally would not. And the fourth is type of crowds. Number one is casual crowd, loosely organized and spontaneous. Example and watching street salesmen. Number two is a conventional crowd, planned and organized. Example, football crowd doing the wave.
And the last one is about theories about crowd behavior. Emergent norm theory by Turner and Killian, 1987. Crowd creates new norms to guide behavior. Social pressure to conform can lead to antisocial action, fighting, throwing objects. And the second one, social contained theory by Gustav Le Born on 1841 until 1931. Crowds release our hidden, primitive instinct, lost individuality, and behave emotionally influenced by emotion and action of others.
Thank you for watching this mind map on crowds. I hope this helped you understand the topic more clearly and makes it easier to remember for your studies. Don't forget to review your notes and observe how crowds work in real life around you. See you in the next video. Bye!